I'm Garrett with Pit Boss. Today I'm going to be putting together the Copperhead. Be sure to check the owner's manual to make sure that you have all the parts. It's easiest to start with the grill upside down on a piece of cardboard to prevent scratching. And the first step is mounting the legs, with 3 screws on each leg. Use 2 screws to secure the control panel to the front 2 legs. Use 4 screws to secure the support panels to each side of the unit. Install the support bar to the rear of the unit. Next, mount the grease exhaust tube. Position the heat shield between the control board and the grease exhaust tube. Mount the power cord bracket to the support bracket. Guide the power cord through the clip bracket and neatly wind it up. Next, mount the wire components housing and the grease tray brackets to the base of the auger housing. After that, you can flip the grill back over and put the door back on. Slide in the grease tray and attach the doorknob to the hopper cleanout door. Next, mount 2 handles to the back of the hopper. Attach the chimney and install the lid stopper near the hopper. Now you can attach the door handle and the door latch. Next, put in the cooking grids. To start it up, plug it in, press the on button, and turn the dial to your preferred cooking temperature. The auger will start feeding pellets into the fire pot, and in a few minutes the igniter will light the flame. Place the flame tamer over the fire pot at the bottom of the cabinet. Insert the water pan to the lowest grid support brackets and fill it about 3/4 full. And that's how you set up the Pit Boss Copperhead.